Hello, this is a video for the basic workflow of Fossology. After we start the service of Fossology, we can open the website in our browser. Now, we just log in with the default username Fossy and the password Fossy. And then we can use this. You can see all the projects we uploaded before, but for simple, we just upload a new project. I upload a project from Phil, and which is called ScanTest3. This is a project which has 3 lessons in it, and we can choose some optional analysis such as copyright, ECC, keywords, and many others. And for simple, we just check these 5 options and then we choose upload. And now we can see this has been assigned a job, and it is successful. I can click here and see yes, jobs. For now, all these jobs has been complete. So we can click the browse and we can see this is our project ScanTest3, and we click this. In this page, we can see the content of all the fields in the project, and this status. If this status is green, it means it is just right. If it is red, it means it needs to check it. For begin, let's look at this field, lessons, because lessons always contains the lessons information we consult. And in this page, we can see the content of the field in the left, and in the right part, we can choose the relation between the field and the lessons, which is lessons known to be discussed, or other options. And we also could use this mock to see if the content in the field is equal to the lessons text in our database incorrect. We can see it's 99% equals and almost all the texts are marked green. So we choose identified and we can submit. So this field is marked as identified, and we need to check other fields in this project. Okay, we can say the lessons field is marked green now. Then let's check another field, such as this lessons is in a sub-model in this project, and it also needs us to check and submit. In this field, we can just repeat the price and then submit. However, we can also use this function, bulk recognition, to check many fields at once. First, we could copy this text, just a little, for example, and copy to there. And then we click the plus, and then we can schedule bulk scan. Now we can see it has scaled as job 13. And now we can see this box result is shown in there, and we choose it. Yes, and we can identify it. Yes, in the most projects there is a many field like a code which has a head. Every code field has the same head with the license text, and we can use bulk to submit all the track informations at once. But however, in our project, there are no such field head, so we just submit submit one field. We also can use these options, go through all fields with license and no clear result. If we use this and we click the right arrow, we can easily get the next field that needs us to check, and we submit the identified. We can see that we have cleared 3 or 4 fields in the project, and now it is the last one. Sorry. It seems strange. Let's return to the project and see in which field is still be red. Okay, is this. Oh, it's in a meta-inf. Yes, this is the last field that needs our to check and clear. Okay, so now all the fields in this project has been checked, and yes, and so we can go back to the project page and do some actions, such as export the README OSS. It also will be assigned a job, and when this job is complete, it can give us a txt and download by the trail. So let's open it. We can see the license the Fossology has scanned in this field, and some other things like a copyright notice. But if we want to modify the format of this field, we can just go to the project and click there the copyright. Yes, this is all the things that Fossology will export to us in the README field. However, if we want to remove some of them, we can just click this label, and the information will be deactivated. Let's remove some of them, and we also could click this and do some modifying, such as let's update it with my last name font, and we click the end, and this and yes, oh sorry, this has been clicked there. Yes, this page will be updated, and all the yes, and all the information we just click the icon has been moved to their deactivated finding statements. And in the active statements, we can see the statements that have modified. And then we can, if we go to the browse and export again, and we see this text, and the statements we have moved will not be there, and we can find the phone. Yes, this means that the modification we just do has been used. So thank you. This is the an introduction of how Fossology works. So thank you for your listening.